Hello friends, today we are going to practice writing the letter D. And guess what the letter D starts with? That's right, it starts with our magic C. So if you are wondering with a B and a D, sometimes they're kind of hard to tell the difference between. But if you look for that magic C, you can tell which one is the letter D. The letter D starts with our magic C. So our letter D, when we write it, we start with the C. We go up like a helicopter all the way to the top and then bump all the way back to the ground to make our D. So let's practice writing this lowercase d. So start with your C and then bump all the way up and all the way down. D. Good, let's make another one. Start with your C, bump all the way up and all the way down. D. Good, let's do another one. Start with your C, bump all the way up, all the way down. Good, let's make a couple more. Start with your C, bump all the way up, all the way down. Good. Start with your C, bump all the way up, all the way down. D. Good, let's make one on our own. So start with your letter C, start with our magic C, and then bump all the way up, all the way down. D. Good. All right, find your best letter D. Circle it and put a little smiley face next to it. What sound does the letter D make? D, like D, D. Dragon. Good. All right, turn the page. Let's practice some Ds. Let's practice some capital Ds also. So to make a capital D, we make a straight line down. Then we hop back up to the top. It's one of those frog jumps. And we make a big loop down. D. Let's do another one. Straight line down. Frog jump to the top. Big round line down. Good, let's do another one. Frog, or straight line down. Frog jump to the top. Curve around. All right, let's make some lowercase d's again. Start with what letter? What's that magic letter? C. Bump up to the top. Bump back to the ground. Good, let's make another D. Start with that magic C. Bump to the top. Bump to the ground. Good, one more. Start with your C. Bump to the top. Bump to the ground. Good. All right, we also are going to practice writing some numbers today with some addition. 2 plus 5 equals, well, we can count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So straight line over, slanted line down. Let's see another number sentence. 3 plus 4. Let's count our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 again. Let's practice it. Straight line across, slanted line down. Good. All right, since we were just adding dots, that's what our sentence says. We're going to copy the sentence. It says, odd, Todd, so that's his name. Todd adds, dots. Todd adds dots. Let's write it. We can't forget to start with a capital. So big, tall capital T. And we're just going to copy it. So we're going to look at the letters. We have an O. O and 2 D's. We just practiced them. Start with your C. Bump up, bump down. And another D. Bump up, bump down. Good. Todd adds. Let's write it. I see an A, D, D. Make sure you're using your very best printing and not going too fast. Then an S. We start with that little magic C and then curve back down to the bottom. All right, dots. Let's write it. We see a D, D, A, T, S. Very nice. And what goes at the end? A period. Very nice. I'm going to let you do this last one on your own. Let's read it though. You know this word? Let's see, add, add. Good. I add, ooh, same word, dots, to. That's right. Let's read it one more time. I add dots to. So I would like for you to write that sentence in your very, very best writing. Don't forget that our sentences start with a capital and they need to end with a period. Very nice job. Thanks for practicing that handwriting with me today.